When it's business, it's business. When it's training, it's training. Kapag sinabing call to action, ibig sabihin, ito yung panawagan. Ito yung gustong mangyari para sa atin. Handa na kayo!
Welcome guys sa ating team building activity ng JCI Makati, and truly this is an opportunity for me. This is my first time to talk about the history of JCI Makati. Yung team ngayon is sustaining the future. No? So to sustain the future, we must have a sense of history.
The foremost global network of young leaders, JCI Prayer, we reaffirm our conviction that faith in God is meaning and purpose to human life. Dapat taga-JCI daw, meron tayong paniniwala. Hindi ka lang basta naglalaro ito. Meron kang belief. So let's make things happen and let's make this evening memorable. We aim for legacy in this 2026.
Not only the development process, you have to go through the process. Nasa ilalim lang sila ng basement, nag-uusap, parang ganito.
It's okay not to be perfect, but as you try to continuously face JCI, papapansin niyo siya eventually that it's okay to live it.
To always give back to our community, but most importantly, to improve yourself.
Magbabago. May inaasahan tayo na may mangyayari. Sa nangyayari sa bansa natin ngayon, may pag-asa pa kayo. Sabi nga nila, as long as we live, we hope.
Regardless of whether you be a member next year or not, our best hope is that as you journey here in JCI Makati, nag-grow kayo.